So this is a collaboration between FTP and Cole Bennett's Lyrical Lemonade. If you guys aren't aware of Lyrical Lemonade, I'm not sure why you're watching this video. It is the collaboration unboxing. But regardless of that, Cole Bennett makes a lot of music videos for rappers, you know, big for like Juice WRLD, Lil Sky's kind of known for some of his work with those guys, among many more artists as well. They've also had a couple concerts, and along with that, their brand has really grown over the past couple of years, and they have their own merchandise. Their logo is like this lemonade box, and you will see FTP just kind of did a flip on that. It's just a silhouette. That being said, the package arrived pretty quick though. Some of my other FTP orders, like Teddy Bear up there, took a little bit longer. I want to say it was more like 2-3 weeks before it actually shipped, where this was like a couple days and it shipped. But yeah, pretty happy with it. I hope the t-shirt's also in here. This is kind of a small box for everything packed in here, because the can, if you guys don't know, actually comes in like its own little box as well. So we will see that. But with that being said, I'll get this open so you guys can check it out. Alright, so they did manage to package the tee in here. And I'm also kind of curious whether or not they're going to have stickers, because every now and like it's a toss-up whether you get stickers. I've had a couple orders with them, and sometimes you do get the stickers, sometimes you don't. And it looks like I'm not going to get any. And I know they actually had like some special collaboration stickers for it. Oh, actually I did get some stickers. Cool. Interestingly enough, they threw in an FTP Codone collaboration sticker, which I think was the weekend before, maybe like 2 weekends before the Lyrical Lemonade drop, or collaboration. But this is just the Lyrical Lemonade one. You're just gonna see this logo on everything, and they did that on t-shirts, and then they also did it on hoodies in a black colorway, and then also in the white colorway that I got. So that being said, you got the Lyrical Lemonade here, which is definitely overpriced, $10 for some lemonade. But I thought I would make like a really cool decorative piece. You got the dual logo there, the collaborative logo, Lyrical Lemonade on the front, and then on the back you have the big FTP, and then also the kind of like almost famous FTP all over. And then they did actually come up with this little character, which they were doing stickers of, and I'm not seeing a sticker of that in my order, but they came up with that character, and it's kind of interesting that they didn't throw that on any pieces. It would have been kind of cool to see that like maybe on the front of the tees. But yeah, see inside we got the bubble wrapped can, and actually the inside's kind of cool too. They got the all over with the Lyrical Lemonade. I'll do close-ups of all this stuff afterwards, but get the can out, the $10 can. And the can itself just kind of branded the same as the box, but you got this white colorway, got the character on the back, FTP, the all over, and then the lemonade there. And there's nothing special about it. It's just like $10, and it's crazy that's $10. I personally don't know what the Lyrical Lemonade, the just plain Lyrical Lemonade, goes for, but interestingly enough, it kind of looks like this is just a Lyrical Lemonade can, and then they wrapped it with this this branding, because if you look at the very top, you can see there's yellow underneath it, which the Lyrical Lemonade cans are like. So I'm wondering if they just I'm wondering what it's like underneath, but obviously I don't want to rip the decal off. But it would be interesting to see if that's just what's underneath, because it is just kind of like this plastic wrap. Moving on, we have the t-shirt, which this is actually my first FTP shirt that I've gotten. It's kind of hard to rock the full spell out ones that they usually include on their tees in the office without getting scolded or I don't know, possibly fired. I guess I have not tried it yet. But this is the FTP shirt, and the shirt much more reasonably priced than the lemonade. This was $28, I want to say, whereas the can was $10. So but yeah, just got the Lyrical Lemonade on the front. It's just like a black silhouette, and then you got FTP, and then on the back we have that graphic we saw on the sticker, where it's just the Lyrical Lemonade logo, and then kind of turned into a silhouette, and then FTP over it. Also point out that the FTP spell out is not part of the graphic. It's just like a cutout, so this is actually just the fabric. There's no actual print over it. And I'll also say the print is like pretty thick. I wouldn't say it's crazy high quality, maybe, I don't know. It does look a little cheap, not necessarily saying that it looks bad. It just doesn't look, you know, up to the quality of something, you know, you'd pay for like on a Supreme tee or something like that. But you know, obviously this is coming in at $28, so a lot cheaper. The blank still feels nice, but yeah, let me get it on. I'll give you guys a size review. So if you guys watch the channel, you know I like to go for XL for a lot of my white tees, just because, you know, the white's easier to get dirty, and then if it does get dirty, gotta like wash it a bunch. So toss it in the washer, maybe it'll shrink a bit. So I usually go with XL. I'm kind of on the border large and extra large. I'd say this is definitely like on the larger side, or on the extra larger side of things that I usually am comfortable in. But, you know, washing this once or twice, so I'm sure it'll shrink a little bit. But I'm getting kind of like more accustomed to the baggier fit as I order some more kind of like plus size things. That being said, though, it's a nice tee. It's comfortable. It's not it doesn't like feel cheap. It's not abrasive like some other cheap blanks. Not saying this is a cheap blank, but you know, it feels good. I'm happy with my $28 spent of it. More happy than the $10 lemonade. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Did you cop anything from FTP? There is actually going to be a big FTP drop at the end of May. They have not announced a specific date. It's also kind of hard to tell what is dropping because they're so secretive with the pieces that are releasing. They don't necessarily do something like Revenge and just post like every design when they come up with it. But yeah, I believe they usually do lookbooks like the day before, like 2 days before, so it also makes it kind of hard to cover it. But I will try to have some type of content up for it. Maybe I'll do like a live drop video, not necessarily a live cop, but if there is something that I'm interested in. But yeah, what do you guys think about FTP? Did you buy from the collaboration? Did you drink from the forbidden fruit, the $10 lemonade? But that being said, thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video. Stay safe out there.
I can't hear nobody. You really don't understand. I can't see nobody. Can't compete with nobody. No. Nobody. Nobody. You really don't understand. Feel nobody, feel nobody. I brought my shawty right up in the party. Nobody gone, just see the squad and me. What's in my pockets, I brought it friendly with me. What's in my house, 7,000 square feet. My bank account, I swear it's no telling. All type of amounts just so I can spend it. What's all around, fake niggas act friendly. Cause I'm one now, gotta keep it near me. Cause niggas a smile, but really be friend of me. Bitches act down, but really ain't enemy. They just want my count, heard I got them millies. Can't go like that now, I'ma keep it pimping.